Hey, it's John Marc and welcome to my lesson on teaching you how to draw a cartoon. Today's lesson, I'm going to be sharing how to draw this fun little cartoon lunch bag. Alright, so if you have your pencil and your paper and you're ready to go, I think we're ready to begin. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Hey, now that was a fun lesson, and I have a challenge for you today. Now, since we did a little cartoon lunch bag at the studio, what about if you open a lunch bag and what do you find in there? Maybe a sandwich, a soda pop, or milk, or anything like that? Some carrots, a bag of chips? Now, you take some of those creative ideas or thoughts and something different. Maybe you have an idea that I didn't share and turn it into a cartoon. All right, so if you have subscribed to my YouTube channel, I want to say thanks a lot, guys. I appreciate that. And if you haven't, you didn't, please just hit that little subscribe button. You're going to get so excited to see all the new videos that we're going to be coming up in this fall time. All right. As always and always and always, thanks for watching this video and have a great day. Don't forget to visit our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you should take a look at our bookstore and download or purchase How to Draw 50 Different Fish.